Install pip. Pip is a tool for installing Python packages. Ubuntu user can install pip using apt-get install command. Fedora user can install pip using yum-install. Windows user has to download this getpip.py, then run python getpip.py. There are different methods are there to install a Python package. The first method, use the pip tool like this, pip install, then the name of the package or module. I will show you like this, pip install, then the name of the module, for example net addr, or pip install Django. This is the one way of installing Python package. Method 2, first download the source code of the package, then go to the download folder, then run python setup.py install. So I will show you. So I am going to download the source code of this Python Keystone client package. Then do git clone. So this you have to install git tool. So this git clone command will download the source code of Python Keystone client module from github.com. Okay, it's done. Then go to the downloaded folder Python Keystone client. There you can see one setup.py file. So we need to run that file like this, python setup.py install. So this command will install Python Keystone client into your system. So it's done. This is the method 2. Let me go to the method 3. So here we can download the module in tar or zip format, then extract that tar.dz or zip file, then go to the extracted folder, then run setup.py install. So let me find one tar file. So I am going to download this module, this Python module in zip or tar.gz format. Let me copy the link, then do wget so if you are using Windows, you can use one download tool. Okay, then so here is, this is the tar.gz file which I downloaded. Then let me extract it, tar.-xzf. So then go to the extracted folder, then run python setup.py install. In that extracted folder you can see setup.py. So here I am getting one error. So in order to fix this issue, we need to run git init command here, then run this setup.py install again. Okay, it's completed. So this way you can install Python module into your system.